afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you are watching me. My name is Comrade Tony Mbata. Some people have sought my opinion about the happenings in Rivers State between Wike, the House of Assembly, and the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Fubara. And I told them that the Governor of Rivers State, who is the Chief Security Officer of a state, have not shown that he is the Chief Security Officer of a state. Because if he's in charge of Rivers State, by now, Wike would have known where he belongs to. And it's a time for the governor to govern the state and to make sure that he put Wike where he belongs. And I love what the APC party is doing. They have told Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that he should choose between Wike and APC. So it is for the president to choose between Wike and APC. And those House of Assembly that are bringing all those false allegations against the governor, behave like a governor. Put your state in order. People of Rivers State, you people should rally down to your governor. One person cannot go for the whole estate. How can you be there? Wike will be tossing the state up and down, and you people are leaving him. This is a time for you to show Wike that Wike alone, Wike is nobody for the state of Rivers State. So, governor, be in charge of your state. You know what you're supposed to do. Do it as a governor. Do it. Do it. I'm challenging you, governor. Be a governor of Rivers State. You govern the whole state. Even though people may say you didn't win election, but today, the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria mandated you, gave you the power to be in charge of Rivers State. So who is Wike? You are romancing with him too much. You are giving him all this, giving him the grant for him to be doing all this petty business with you. Tell him that you are the governor, and he himself know that you are the governor. I want you to share this video and also tell us your own opinion about Wike and Rivers State and Fubara, the executive governor of Rivers State.